Hello and welcome to another Tunisian crochet tutorial. So today we will be learning how to make this simple but beautiful lace pattern with shells. To start, we will start with a slip knot and we will chain. So for this stitch pattern, you will need to chain a multiple of 5 plus 2. You will yarn over, pull up a loop, that's chain 1, yarn over, up a loop, that's 2, and so on. So 3, 4, 5, that's the first multiple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's my second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's where I'm going to finish. And now that add the 2 because it's 5 plus 2. Then we turn our chains around and we will start picking up stitches through the back bumps of your chain stitches. So you will go or insert the hook from front to back under the back bump, yarn over and pull up a loop, and you will repeat that for every back bump of your chains. So at the end you will need to end up with the same amount of loops on your hook as you started chains or as you crochet your chains. And we are currently working the forward pass of the foundation row that will be followed by the return pass. So I'm now at the end. The return pass for this project is where the stitch pattern will be worked. So normally you work a standard return pass and it's very easy, it's very repetitive. However, now we need to be a little bit more focused on counting on this return pass. So we will first start with yarn over, pull through 1 and then chain 2, 1 and 2, and then we yarn over and pull through 6 loops. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then you will chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's our repeat. You will yarn over, pull through 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then yarn over and chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We will have one more repeat. So we'll yarn over and pull through 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we have only 2 loops left on the hook, so we need to chain 2, 1 and 2, and pull through both loops like so. So that was the return pass of foundation row. Now we will work row number 2. So the forward pass is slightly different. We will be picking up stitches through these chains or through the horizontal bars of the stitches. So this is what I mean. We've got the 2 chains here, so we will pick up a loop under the top loops. Then we will also work through the chain of the shell. Then we've got the chain 4, so we need to pick up 4 stitches there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's another shell like so. Chain 4, so that's 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Shell again, so we'll pick up the loop from the top of the shell, and now we have 2 more chains and an end stitch. So for the end stitch you will insert a hook under both strands of the last stitch like so, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then we will repeat the return pass of row number 1. So again, just to demonstrate, we'll first chain 1, then chain 2, 1 and 2, then yarn over and pull through 6 loops, yarn over and pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll then yarn over and pull through 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then yarn over, pull through 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are at the end. We chain 2 and yarn over, pull through 2, and then you will repeat the row number 2 for the length of it of your project. And in the next section I'm going to show you how to bind off your project. To bind off, we will need to bind off each loop along the top. So you will yarn over, pull up a loop and then pull through the loop on the hook, and we will repeat this through every chain, every loop along the top, like so, and you will repeat that all the way to the end, binding off the last end stitch as well, like so. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this super quick tutorial, and I see you next time. Bye bye.